Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And I will be doing a teaser reaction. I'm pretty late in reacting to this. I'm pretty late because the teaser released on 7th April and it has been creating waves. It has been creating waves across the country. This is the teaser for Pushpa, and this is an introduction teaser. This is a character introduction teaser. So this is for introducing Pushpa Raj, and this is a movie starring Allu Arjun, my favorite Fahad Fasil in the negative role, and Rashmika. What a great cast, and it's been directed by Sukumar. So I'm guessing now every character will have their introduction teaser. So now we are getting introduced to the character of Pushpa Raj, and without delaying this any further, because I've already delayed it a lot, so let's react to Pushpa Raj introduction. All right. I think this is still number 5 on trending, and I think this teaser has broken like certain records. That's what I saw on news, but I've kept myself away from everything because first I want to react to it. So let's start. Wow. Already intrigued. I know it's gonna be great. If it has broken so many records, I know it's gonna be great. Subtitles, yes. All right. Yo! We saw Rashmika. Ooh!
تجدله
Okay, I want to play that last shot again. Oh, this released on his birthday. Wait. I want to play that last part again. The choreography, the action choreography there is... Wait. The entire last part again. Absolutely amazing. This... Oh, now this one. Oh! Happy belated birthday to Allu Arjun. Happy belated birthday. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was... no wonder this has broken all records. So many things about the teaser. Let me stop this first. Firstly, the very first thing, what caught my ears was the BGM, the music for his introduction. Na 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 na. It has a lot of power, and it is a little bit haunting and taunting, where you see that like when he said "won't back down," so it already has like a very dark sort of feel to it, and this thing, and he does this after basically kicking ass of everybody. I think this is gonna be like the signature move. Allu Arjun looks great, fantastic. We are, I think, looking at a record-breaking film again. I think we are again looking at a record-breaking film, Pushpa. Really like the way his character has been introduced. So from this teaser, basically, we see that he's a man of honor. This is just my guesses, that he's a man of honor who is very protective of his clan, basically. Like you see the people who are, I think he works in sort of a forest, a laborer of sort, where a lot of people where you see are picking up the logs. So that is somewhat, he's also doing the same. And some rift of course happens where him and of course all the other people that works with him are threatened, and then he decides to basically save everybody and step in, basically not save everybody, basically step in and stand up for their, like, his rights and everybody else's rights. So that's what I feel. And the action, so that's first thing, like in terms of his character sketch, that's what I got. Also that he's a very aggressive person, you know, that's why we're getting all that action. And another thing, so these are the things. Second, of course, when I talked about the BGM. Third is the action choreography. I think we're gonna get some really good action choreography, because the last scene where he sort of flips and sits down, that looks visually stunning. Of course, I mean, I'm not going to really think about physics and how the action is happening, because, you know, some things, some sort of choreography is always there for visual treat. And the slow-mo camera shots, one of the most overused shots in our industry. But you know what? Sometimes you feel that, oh, for every action sequences, you know, people use the slow-mo sort of shots, and I do agree that they are highly overused. But what makes the difference is the sort of the kind of action choreography that you're putting in it. If you're just showing a punch going in slow and somebody ducking the punch slowly, that is very common now, that everybody has seen, been there, done that. So the action choreographers or the stunt people have to bring a little bit of creativity, which I can see here, where he bumps the head. That is something very different. I don't think I've seen it anywhere. I don't think. And especially the last part. And the another scene where there is like a flip, and the second last scene where he flips, you know, like a roller coaster. Oh wow, that looks amazing. I know, unrealistic, a little bit unrealistic, but this is what gives it a visual aesthetic treat. And I mean, this is like for the whistles, man. This is like for the whistles, and I am absolutely not complaining, because, you know, every movie has its own audience. I cannot wait for the introduction of Fahad's character. I'm gonna wait for that. But I got a glimpse of Rashmika there, so I don't know if there is a video for, like, there's gonna be a video for her character introduction. Let's see. But I really liked Pushpa Raj's introduction video. So yes, that was a great teaser. Really, you know, starting, you know, promotions for movie with a banger. Yes, so that was my reaction for the teaser of introduction teaser of Pushpa Raj from the upcoming Telugu film Pushpa. Please let me know your thoughts. What did you think? Did you think, no, this is something that we have already seen, or no, this is something new and different that this movie is going to offer? I would love to know your thoughts. So yes, that was it from me, guys. I hope you've come till the end of the video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.